Meet the emu, Australia's largest bird and a fascinating creature of the outback. Standing up to 6 feet tall, emus are the second largest birds in the world, right after the ostrich. Despite their size, emus are incredible runners, reaching speeds up to 30 miles per hour. Emus are omnivores, eating a variety of plants, insects, and small animals. Their diet helps spread seeds across vast distances. In emu families, it's the males who incubate the eggs and take care of the chicks after they hatch. With their impressive size, speed, and unique parenting roles, emus are truly fascinating birds of the Australian outback.